Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. People these days watch TV, films, and other programs alone rather than with other people. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? Watching television is common these days as it is considered the best stress buster. Therefore, most of the leisure time is spent on watching variety of programs on it. The other reason of preferring it to rejuvenate is its availability for 24 hours and 7 days. This is the best tool to spend time alone, so people watch movies and other programs alone. If there are more people while watching television, then it may bring more pleasure because of interaction as well as sharing opinions. To start with the major reason of watching television alone, if people watch TV alone, then they can watch their favorite program as per their interest only. The flexibility and freedom in the choice of programs watched without others' interference makes it more entertaining. Consequently, the time can be utilized fully. The ease to pause, rewind, and skip the specific section enables people to watch at their own pace. Moreover, some programs are not made for people of all age groups, so it is comfortable to watch them alone. E.g., the movies having B grade cannot be seen in the presence of children as they may be impacted adversely. On the other hand, if all members of family watch TV together, then they can share their opinion as well. The bonds strengthen as the discussion, laughter, emotional connection is encouraged among all members of family. There are many programs which are based on reality and influence the people, so they prefer watching them on time. These can be motivational and inspiring as the parents can guide their children to be the part of the same if all of them watch together. Similarly, there are many programs based on culture and tradition, so these are a good way to impart knowledge to others who are not familiar to these while watching together. In conclusion, I think that the programs must be watched together rather than alone. In this way, not only story can be discussed with others but opinion can also be shared. However, loneliness causes monotony in the long term, further leading to stress, isolation, and loss of social interaction, so watching TV together brings more benefits to the viewers. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.